In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can reset your PC without losing your data. So let's get right to it. So here we are inside of Windows, and if you want to reset your PC, maybe you're having some glitches or what have you, and some things ain't really going right, and maybe there's broken links and all kinds of different things that are happening with your PC that it's just really bogging you down, and you want to reset your PC back to factory default without losing your data. This is how you do it. So you go over here to the Start, then you go to Settings, then you can go to Update and Security, and then inside of here where you'll need to go is Recovery. Once you're inside of Recovery, you'll want to do Reset this PC section right here. You see it says if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall. So all you have to do is hit Get Started. When you get in Get Started, make sure you select Keep My Files. Once you do that, just follow the prompts. I'm not going to do it for obvious reasons, but typically that's all you have to do is just hit Keep My Files, and it'll lead you through the rest of the process, and it will reinstall Windows basically, and fix any corrupted files that might be. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this quick tip, and like always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more of these videos in the future, and the notification bell. And to push these videos out to more people, make sure you hit that like button as well. That being said, I want to wish you all, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye.